At the end of the video, there is a free gift for you. It's a quality business plan template that will guide you through the whole process of starting a business and ensures you start on the right foot. Starting a ready-mix concrete, RMC, business requires careful planning and execution. Here are some steps to help you get started. 1. Market research. Understand the demand for RMC in your target area. Identify potential customers such as construction companies, contractors, and developers. 2. A business plan. Create a detailed business plan outlining your objectives, target market, pricing strategy, marketing plan, operational structure, and financial projections. This will serve as a roadmap for your business. 3. Legal requirements. Register your business and obtain the necessary licenses and permits required to operate a RMC business in your area. This may include environmental permits, zoning approvals, and business licenses. 4. Location. Choose a strategic location for your RMC plant that is close to construction sites to minimize transportation costs and ensure timely delivery. Consider factors such as accessibility, proximity to raw materials, and regulatory requirements. 5. Equipment and infrastructure. Purchase or lease the necessary equipment and infrastructure for your RMC plant, including concrete mixers, batching plants, storage silos, and delivery trucks. Ensure that the equipment is of high quality and meets safety standards. 6. Supply chain management. Establish relationships with suppliers of raw materials such as cement, aggregates, and additives. Negotiate favorable terms and ensure a reliable supply chain to meet the demands of your customers. 7. Quality control. Implement a rigorous quality control process to ensure that your RMC meets the required specifications and standards. This may involve testing raw materials, monitoring the batching process, and conducting regular quality checks. 8. Marketing and sales. Develop a marketing strategy to promote your RMC business and attract customers. This may include online advertising, networking with construction industry professionals, and offering competitive pricing and discounts. 9. Customer service. Provide excellent customer service to build long-term relationships with your clients. Ensure prompt delivery, respond to customer inquiries and feedback, and address any issues or concerns promptly. 10. Financial management. Manage your finances effectively to ensure the profitability and sustainability of your RMC business. Keep track of expenses, revenue, and cash flow, and adjust your business strategy as needed to achieve your financial goals. Starting a RMC business requires careful planning, investment, and hard work, but with the right strategy and execution, it can be a lucrative venture in the construction industry. Thank you for watching. As we conclude the video, go to the description below this video to get your free business plan template gift. It will guide you through the whole process of starting a business and ensures you start on the right foot.